The modern market is full of various cleaning products that can harm our health. Yet you can easily find in the kitchen an absolutely safe cleanser which, moreover, is capable of creating a real miracle in your house. We at Brightside invite you to learn about some ways of using baking soda that will help to avoid costly dry cleaners. This way of cleaning a mattress will remove dirt, sweat, dead skin cells, dust, and unpleasant odors. First, vacuum the entire mattress. Then, using a sifter, evenly distribute 1 package of baking soda, if desired. You can add 10 to 15 drops of essential oil over its entire surface. Leave the mattress covered with all of it for several hours, preferably for a day. Then, vacuum it carefully to collect all the baking soda. Take a container and mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of washing powder, optional. Then pour 1 cup of warm boiled water and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of 9% vinegar. The mixture foams actively, so use a larger container to prepare it. Thoroughly mix everything, and pour the solution into a water sprayer. Vacuum the carpet or soft furniture. Spray the resulting solution for 5 to 10 seconds. Then remove the liquid with a sponge. If necessary, rub the problem areas. Repeat until you get the desired result, but make sure the liquid doesn't soak the fabric.